This section we're going to look at the myofilaments. The myofilaments are actin and myosin, and we'll be discussing the sliding filament theory, myofilaments, filament theory. The videos that I've posted on this would be highly recommended to watch. Another topic that's difficult to talk about because of the concept. Picture paints 1,000 words, a video paints 10,000 words. So follow this lecture, but then watch the videos. They will tremendously help. Okay, skeletal muscle is nucleated. Below the plasma membrane, you can see the sarcolemma. They lay next to the myofibrils. And then we have these alternating light bands that they denote with I, and the dark bands with A. Remember, the second letter of light is an I and the second letter of dark is an A, so the light bands, the I bands, the dark bands, the A bands. This is what gives skeletal muscle its striped or striated appearance. Okay, here's the sarcolemma, and we're going to pull one out, and you're going to see, for now we're going to call this a spaghetti strand, raw spaghetti strand. Okay, and then you're going to take a section of that. As you see here, they're taking a section of it and zooming in a little bit tighter. Okay, here's the I band and the A band. The I band, and it continues down the length of the entire raw spaghetti strand here. Okay, in this section, you're seeing the thin actin. Okay, so please know that, write that down. The actin myofilament is thin. The myosin filament is thick. Okay, so we have the thin filament and the thick, actin and myosin. Okay, and their boundaries are from Z disc to Z disc, and that creates a sarcomere. A sarcomere goes from Z disc to Z disc, and you're seeing here they kind of look like Z's all the way down. Okay, so that's where it gets it from, Z disc to Z disc. Alright, also notice that this boundary for the sarcomere, which here's the Z disc, there's the Z disc, goes from there to there. Okay, now the next slide we'll have a better picture of this. Alright, looking at this picture, they're zooming in tighter to the myosin, which has these myosin heads, and the actin that they're denoting is blue here. That's the thin filament, and the thick filament is the myosin. Okay, the myosin heads are going to eventually bind to the actin. Now, this is what those videos show, so please take the time to watch the videos. Alright, zooming in to the sarcomere. Now keep in mind, the whole thing, that long raw spaghetti strand, would be sarcolemma. And we're zooming into a part of the sarcolemma called the sarcomere, which goes from Z disc to Z disc. And here they are, Z disc to Z disc. Okay. And there I'm highlighting